I will talk about how can you shop for banners on your Plato app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Plato app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do now, just go here, you click here on of your photo profile. So then you come to next step here, then all you have to do now, you just click in this sign here. So when you click here in this sign, it's going to take you to this list. Then you click here on banners, and here you click here on shop for banners here. Then it's going to take you to this list here to shop here of banners on your Plato app. That's all you have to do. So to just click on any banner here, and you click here on pay. So then here you click here, you select here for price. So and currency here, then you click in this sign for example. So you just switch into open with you here, then here add your credit or debit card, then it's going to shop with. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.